over here 40 degrees. Over there it's like -2 within 6 foot. Look, oh mate, 40 -2. I know where I'd rather be. Fire. Oh, it's actually pretty hot. Yeah. This actually gets too hot, so what I need to do is kind of sit in the middle somewhere. There's not really a lot of room to sit, is there? Got too much junk in my shed. Oh. I mean it, it's too hot. Woo. Look at that. So what are you all doing up this late at night? Oh, I don't know what to say. Lucky it didn't go live, isn't it? Microscrapping, forging. Do you know, I've actually made a lot of things with horseshoes out of that. Fire. I haven't got a furnace, I haven't got a forge. I've got a wood burner, gives that a good heat. Yeah, I've made things like coat hooks. Do you want to see a couple? I don't know if you can actually see them too well. Made these out of horseshoes, look. That one. I screwed them on there, and every now and again I take one indoors when we need another coat of it. Nice man, light now. There's a light, a circuit board. There's another one of my creations at the back there. Horseshoes. I like making these fish. I don't know how well this is going to show up. I make these fish look like a little boat. You see that? Probably not. It's a bit dark in here. And as you can see, I like to collect junk. There's all sorts of bits and pieces. Little Spitfire, a little brass Spitfire someone chucked out. Yeah. Oh God, he fell over. Fell over on me bit of Perspex. Saved that with a 56-inch TV. Look at that. It's pretty wacky though, isn't it? Ooh. I don't know what to do. It's not quite thick enough for a window. And I'll probably make some fancy clutch or something in the summertime. Hey COVID out there, give us back our summertime this year, eh? I need it. Let's get out there down the beaches and do our thing. You can have us over winter time. Give us back our summer. I've actually started warming up. I can feel me cockles. Anyway, I might do a live one later, I don't know. When you're all in bed, I don't want to be there. But for now, I'm going to sod off. Swore again, sorry guys. Bye.